You started?
Yeah, I started.
Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about chicken farming. Alright, so
Take 3.
today I'm going to be talking about chicken farming. So, what is chicken farming? Chicken farming is the farming of chickens. And today I'm going to be talking about 2 different news articles that talk about chicken farming. First article is called Alright, so today I'm going to be comparing 2 articles. The first article is from the Sydney Morning Herald by Elise Burgess. It was published on the 5th of August 2017. And really this category, what she calls the article is poultry code review, which could help unscramble rules allowing cruelty to chickens. So it really goes under the animal rights and liberation regarding to chickens. And what she talks about is how in Australia there are often some chicken farming methods which can be seen as mistreatment of animals, of chickens, as we in Australia do not have enough regulations to moderate the treatment of chickens, as it is only limited to the ACT. And so Miss Burgess overall has obviously taken a lot of research and also taken a lot of information into account, as she takes arguments from both sides and clearly understands what is going on. And because her arguments are so evenly weighted, you could say that there's little to no bias. And so the second article, is by Miss Isabel Dickinson, as it was published on the Daily Star UK on the 30th of July. So what she talks about is the shocking reality of cruelty-free chickens in the UK. Once again, this also goes under animal rights and liberation. And what she talks about is how chickens are being mistreated in the UK, and even though there are UK regulations, farmers are managing to find a loophole through this and allowing the mistreatment of chickens. So although she has addressed the topic, she doesn't clearly understand where the loophole is and hasn't exactly proposed a solution, which shows that she understands some of the topic but not all. In regard to bias, she uses lots of emotive language and learned language, which shows that her arguments are heavily weighted towards the cruelty of chickens, as she only gives the farmers one line of say, which shows that she isn't giving both sides a fair shot at it. Alright, so a comparison between these 2 articles, you could say that in regard to bias, Miss Burgess has little to none, as she does take in both sides of the view and does consider them. Whereas for Miss Dickinson, what she does is she only takes the side of chickens being mistreated, as she doesn't give the farmers much to say. Writing to information on topic, Miss Dickinson once again is informed but not as informed as Miss Burgess, as Miss Burgess clearly shows that she understands both sides of the argument, whereas Miss Dickinson heavily relies on emotive and moving language. In regard to the viewpoint, both authors have the same viewpoint, as they both aim to reduce the amount of mistreatment within chicken farming, whereas Miss Burgess cares for the chicken increasing regulations and spreading them around, while Miss Dickinson wants to improve on the current overbearing regulations. And that summarizes my point between the 2 analysis of the 2 articles. Thank you very much.
I think your background looks bad.